Hi friends, we're going to do another side bloom. Welcome back. This is Lucy. I am Lucy with Fluid Art with Macrame Elegance, and look at our beautiful colors. This is a custom color. It's kind of a bluish, purplish, grayish color. This here is, let me see, it is blue violet and deep violet and ultramarine blue by Liquitex. It's a combination of colors to make a nice purple. We have Pebeo gold, and we have a custom green, and we have Amsterdam's brilliant green. All right, let's get started. I'm really having a lot of fun doing these side blooms. Okay, let's put on our pillow paint. Okay, let's try this again. I'm gonna start with Deco Art Metallic Blue. And then I'm gonna do the custom color, which is a grayish blue purple. And then I'll do my custom purple. I don't think I'll add actually the gold this time. Do I want to add something else? You know what? I think so. Why not? Let's add a little magenta on top. Just a little bit. Whoops. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Sorry. That is not mixed up well. There we go. All right, you know, and I'm just gonna do the plain green this time. Okay, oxide black, cell activator. Here we go, try it again. All right. Okay, let's see what I can do to kind of fix this just a little bit. All right, I can work with that. Ooh, what is that? That was a big drop. Okay, let's see. Okay. I don't sometimes like how it turns out square, so I'm gonna, whoops, I put some paint in there. Gotta get that off. Ah, it's not really working. I got so much paint there. All right, kind of covered it up there. Now, kind of need to blow that side a little bit. Sometimes you really got to work at it. There. That's better. Okay, now the green. It's just way too much. All right, that's better. All right, that's pretty. And I think, a little bit over, and we'll spin it out. I think that's going to be pretty. Very pretty. That's a little strange. I wonder if I can do anything about that. Nope, guess not. Oh, that's pretty. All right, let me do something about. Whoops. Didn't mean to do that. All right. Let's spin it out some more. Oh yes, I like that. Just like that. I do. Got a few dots I need to pop. But you know, it has like a lot of the black cell activator at the top, but I like it with the red there, with the magenta. There we go. Let's fix that up later. Marker, that's really pretty. I just don't quite like this. All right, I think I'm done. Oh, I really like that one. So I just don't always know what type of colors I want to use, and sometimes you just kind of pick one here and there and hope it turns out. And that's what happened here. This one's much nicer than the first one. I just needed more color. All right, my friends, I'm gonna get you down for a close-up, and I wish you God's blessing and a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.